is Sarjara Gowde, and today's date is 27th September 2022. And my today's video's topic is the differences between the linked list and array list. So let's talk about the linked list and array list in Java in briefly. So before going to further, there are differences between the linked list and array list. So just understood what is meant by array list and what is meant by linked list in Java. So first one is array list. Array list. The array list is defined like that. It's a part of the collection framework, and it is represented in the java.util.package, and it is a dynamically array in a Java programming language. So and it is and compared to the standard array, it is just a normal array, but it is very helpful in some situation, like it is when we need to manipulate the array. That time it very helpful, and we can say it is a dynamically array. So it is automatically resize it when we add or remove the element from the array. And second one is the linked list. The linked list is a linear data structure where the elements are not stored in a contiguous memory location, and element is a separated object with their data part and addresses and their addresses part, and each element is linked through the pointer, or we can say that data address, and each element be known as a node. And let's see the differences between the array list and the linked list. So first one is the implementation on the implementation basis. So the implementation basis, the array list is a resizable array, so implements the listing interface. The linked list is a doubly list is implements the list interface. And the second one is the overhead basis. So in the overhead basis, the implement in linked list have the more overheaded than the array list, because it is store the data and addresses of the previous node and next node. So it is obviously linked list have the more overheaded than the array list. And in fact in the array list they have their only on object. And the next one is the capacity basis. So if a constructor is not overloaded, at that time the array list is created at the list with the initial capacity 10, while the linked list is created only have a constructor without a capacity. It means the initial capacity is a null, or we can say that is a 0. And main point is when we use this array list and linked list. So in a regular basis we are using the linked list, but in some cases we are also using linked list. So the array list is used when we are doing the more research operation. At that time it's array list is preferred, and the linked list is preferred where the more insert and search, we can say that deleted operation should be done. At that time the linked list is preferred. Linked list is the best option at that situation. And that's my point of view about the differences between the array list and linked list in Java programming language. Thank you.